We're here at LuxLive, been exhibiting here now since 2013. We find it an excellent platform to engage with our customers, to show the industry what we're about, to expose our brand to the wider market.
We see it as our premier exhibition, and I think from our perspective it's the best show that we can offer our wares to.
This is our main launch for 2018 and through 2019. It's got the right clients coming.
We have had some fantastic leads, some very big names starting to notice us in the market, so it's been great.
We're so happy, to talk to our customers about our progress.
So I think we'll do extremely well this year at the show. If the first 3 hours of the show is anything to go by, we've seen more than we'd already targeted, so that's been very good for us.
It's an excellent show, well located, perfectly timed, and for us, something we look forward to throughout the year, and is always an exciting opportunity to our business.
The show's been amazing for visitors. We've had a whole range of people from all over the world. We've had luminaire designers, lighting designers, architects, contractors, distributors. Yeah, we're really excited to see all of the different projects and opportunities that come out of this week.
It's a wonderful opportunity for us to meet a lot of our clients and also to feel the pulse of the industry, where everything is heading.
It's been a fantastic show for us. Loads of visitors. We haven't stopped since 9:30 yesterday morning. It's been absolutely full on.